The journey begins here, in the heart of cocoa farms.
Once collected, the pods are transported to the factory for further processing.
A journey of hundreds of miles ends here at the factory gates.
From there, the pods are carefully unloaded and ready for sorting.
Only the finest pods make it to the next phase of processing.
The pods are cracked open, releasing the precious cocoa beans. The beans are then fermented, a vital process to develop their flavor.
The fermentation process takes several days, turning the beans into something truly special.
Next, the beans are carefully dried under the sun to preserve their unique flavors. Next, the beans are carefully dried under the sun to preserve their unique flavors. Once dried, the beans are bagged and ready to be shipped to the factory for further processing.
The beans are stored safely, awaiting transport to the processing facility. Once transported, the beans are ready for the next phase, the roasting. Roasting brings out the deep, rich flavors in every cocoa bean.
The roasted beans are ground into a fine powder, the foundation for chocolate.
The cocoa mass is prepared, combining cocoa powder, butter, and sugar. Through conching, the cocoa mass reaches its silky smooth texture, ready for the final transformation. The molten chocolate is poured into molds, where it will harden into solid bars.
And now, the chocolate bars are packed and ready to be shipped around the world.
The chocolate bars are carefully loaded and transported to the next stage of production. The journey to the factory takes hours, but every minute is a step closer to the final product.
At last, the chocolate reaches its final destination, the factory.
The crates are carefully unloaded and moved into the storage area.
The chocolate is stored and ready for final inspection before the transformation begins.
Each piece is meticulously checked for quality before continuing.
The chocolate continues its journey on the conveyor belt, entering the next stage of production.
The chocolate is carefully melted, ready for molding and shaping.
As the chocolate cools, it begins to take shape, ready for the next phase.
The molten chocolate is carefully poured into molds, shaping it into its final form. The chocolate hardens, waiting for its final refinement. Once cooled, the chocolate bars are carefully removed from their molds.
The bars are lined up, ready for their final step, packaging.
The chocolate bars are sealed, ensuring freshness before shipment.
The pallets are stacked and prepared for shipping across the globe.
With everything packed, the trucks are ready to deliver the chocolate.
And so, the chocolate begins its journey to retailers worldwide. From farm to factory, every step is meticulously designed for perfection.
The chocolate factory,
a marvel of modern industry, stands ready for another day of production.
Security ensures that only authorized personnel enter, maintaining the safety and integrity of the factory.
Once inside, workers are greeted by the rhythmic hum of the factory floor, where every machine plays its part.
This is where the magic happens. Each stage of production contributing to the perfect chocolate bar.
Every worker plays a crucial role in ensuring that only the best products reach the consumer. On the conveyor belt, the chocolate is expertly guided through each step of the process.
Molding machines shape the chocolate into bars, ready for the next step in the process.
The chocolate enters the cooling room, where the temperature is carefully controlled for perfect texture.
As the chocolate cools, it solidifies, ready to be molded and packaged.
Once cooled, the chocolate is wrapped and prepared for distribution.
Each chocolate bar is wrapped securely, ensuring freshness when it reaches its destination.
A final quality control check ensures that every bar meets the highest standards.
The bars are packaged and prepared, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide.
With everything packed, the trucks are ready to distribute the chocolate across the globe.
The chocolate is carefully loaded onto trucks for final delivery. And so, the chocolate begins its journey to the world, ready to delight millions.
The chocolate arrives at the sorting area, where every piece will be carefully inspected. The chocolate is sorted meticulously, each piece carefully categorized by type and size.
Next, the chocolate undergoes a thorough cleaning to ensure it's pristine for the next stages. Each bar is carefully inspected, ensuring every piece is free from defects before moving forward.
Quality control ensures that only the finest chocolate passes through to the next stage.
To remove any remaining particles, the chocolate is subjected to a final air blast.
The chocolate is sorted one last time before it enters the final stages of packaging.
With the sorting complete, the chocolate bars are now ready to be wrapped and sealed for freshness.
The wrapping machines are carefully set up, ready to seal each chocolate bar.
The bars are wrapped, ensuring that every piece is sealed for maximum freshness. Once wrapped, the chocolate bars are sealed tightly, ensuring their quality and freshness. A final inspection ensures that only the finest products leave the factory.
The chocolate bars are carefully packed into boxes, ready for storage and distribution.
The packaged chocolate is stored in the warehouse, ready for delivery to stores around the world.
Once stacked, the pallets are secured and prepared for transport.
The pallets are loaded onto trucks, set to begin their journey across the globe.
With everything packed, the trucks leave the factory, bringing the chocolate to retailers worldwide.
Arriving at the core processing stage, the chocolate will undergo the most crucial transformations.
The chocolate is sorted and ready for the next stage, grinding and refining.
The paste is further refined to achieve a silky smooth consistency.
Cocoa butter and sugar are blended into the paste, enhancing the smoothness and flavor of the chocolate.
As the chocolate blends, it is transferred to cooling chambers, where it will solidify into its final form. The chocolate is allowed to cool and solidify, ready for molding and shaping into bars. Once cooled, the chocolate takes its final shape, ready for the next stages of production.
The molded chocolate bars are inspected to ensure every piece meets the highest standards.
Each bar is carefully examined, ensuring perfection before the next step. Once inspected, the chocolate moves to the packaging line, where it will be wrapped and sealed.
The chocolate is wrapped and sealed, ensuring that it stays fresh until it reaches its destination.
A final inspection ensures that every bar is perfectly packaged and ready for distribution.
The wrapped chocolate bars are packed into boxes, ready for the next phase of shipment.
The packed boxes are moved toward the loading dock, ready for the final shipment.
With everything loaded, the chocolate embarks on its final journey. And so, the chocolate continues its journey to bring sweetness to the world.
Arriving at the main transformation area, the chocolate will undergo a series of processes to perfect its final form.
The chocolate is moved to mixing tanks, where the final ingredients are added to achieve the perfect consistency. Milk powder, vanilla, and cocoa butter are added, further refining the chocolate's smooth texture. The chocolate is expertly mixed, ensuring that the texture is rich and velvety.
Through further refining, the chocolate becomes even smoother, ready for the cooling process.
The chocolate is carefully cooled, setting it in its final form before molding.
The chocolate takes its final shape in the molds, ready to cool and solidify.
As the chocolate cools, it solidifies into perfect bars, ready for inspection. Once solidified, the bars are removed from their molds and ready for the next inspection.
Every bar is carefully inspected, ensuring that only the best make it to the packaging stage.
Once inspected, the chocolate bars move towards the wrapping machines.
The chocolate bars are wrapped and sealed, ensuring they remain fresh and ready for distribution.
A final check ensures that every bar is perfectly packaged, ready for shipment.
The chocolate is packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to retailers around the world.
The packed boxes are moved to the loading dock, preparing for the final leg of their journey. With everything packed and ready, the trucks depart, delivering the chocolate across the globe.
And so, the factory continues its work, producing high-quality chocolate for the world. Welcome to the high-tech automation zone, where precision and speed combine to perfect every chocolate bar.
Every chocolate bar is meticulously sorted by size and quality using advanced sensors, ensuring uniformity.
Thanks to automation, packaging is faster and more efficient, ensuring that each bar is securely wrapped for freshness. Artificial intelligence is now used to detect even the smallest imperfections, ensuring only the best chocolate makes it to the consumer.
Barcodes and labels are printed and applied automatically, streamlining the process and ensuring accuracy.
Robotic arms carefully stack the chocolate boxes, preparing them for storage and shipment. Automated systems perform a final quality check, ensuring that each bar is flawless before it heads to storage.
Packaging robots efficiently seal and prepare the boxes for dispatch, ensuring quick turnover. The final products are automatically sorted, ensuring that the right items go to the right distribution channels.
AI systems track every part of the process, ensuring optimal efficiency and minimal
Looks like
waste.
the adjustment worked. Efficiency is stabilizing.
The transcription for this video is: robots perform the final step of moving the finished products into storage, ready for shipping.
With everything packed and ready, the chocolate is now set for its journey to stores around the world.
Robotic systems direct the chocolate to the correct lines, ensuring fast and efficient distribution. This is the heart of the factory, where automation powers every aspect of production, ensuring efficiency at every step. Regular maintenance ensures that the automated systems keep running smoothly, maintaining high production standards.
With automation at the core of production, the factory operates efficiently, delivering chocolate at scale.
At the precision lines, the chocolate undergoes its final transformation to ensure perfect quality.
The chocolate bars are carefully shaped and polished, giving them that perfect, glossy finish.
Every bar is inspected for quality, ensuring that only the best pieces are packaged.
Precision cutting ensures that every piece of chocolate is consistent in size and shape.
As the chocolate bars cool, they solidify into their final form, ready for inspection. Once wrapped, the chocolate is sealed and labeled, ensuring accuracy and quality.
Manual inspection ensures that every label is correctly applied and the packaging is flawless.
And the chocolate bars are packed into boxes, ready for the final step: dispatch.
The packed chocolate is stacked neatly and stored, awaiting distribution to retailers worldwide.
Robotic systems handle the final palletizing, making the process more efficient and precise.
With everything packed and ready, the chocolate is loaded into containers for global distribution. The chocolate is now ready for its journey, reaching millions of consumers worldwide. And so, the chocolate begins its global journey, bringing sweetness to homes everywhere. From farm to factory, and now to the world, the chocolate continues its journey.